Hi again guys, this is Anything with Rice, and yes, I am zobbing again today, so please bear with my voice for a little while. Anyway, what we got here is small fishes or dilis as we Filipinos call it. So let's start with 3 cloves of garlic and 1 onion. Okay, just mix this up. Next is 3/4 cup of flour. This one is not necessary but still gives that amazing consistency. Add salt according to your taste, but if you're scared of having fade on that taste of yours, then just add 1 tablespoon. Sprinkle some pepper also. Add 2 eggs. You can add another one if you want it crispier. I also added some malunggay leaves. I have the tea version of malunggay here, but you can add the fresh leaves. Now mix it all up until you get the consistency you want. I want mine to be in this texture. Turn on that stove and set it to medium heat. Add some cooking oil. Grab a spoonful of your dilis and flat them as much as you can, making sure that each side is cooked. Grab another one until it consumes all the spaces with oil. After a few minutes, check if the edge turns golden brown. If it is, start flipping to cook the other side. Once each sides are cooked, it's ready to serve.